In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your DNS entries in Hostinger. This is a crucial step to ensure your domain and website function properly, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Hostinger account. If you are unfamiliar with the platform, Hostinger is a popular web hosting service that provides a variety of tools to manage your domains and websites efficiently. Once you're logged in, look for the control panel. This is your main hub for managing your websites and domain settings. Next, click on the Domains section in the upper tab of the control panel. This section is specifically dedicated to managing everything related to your domains, from DNS settings to domain transfers. You'll now want to proceed to your domain portfolio. This is where all your registered domains will be listed, making it easy to locate and manage each one individually. When you reach your domain list, find the domain where you want to add the DNS entries. Click on the Manage button next to it. Once you're on the management page, look for the DNS/name servers option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the DNS management section. This page allows you to set various DNS records essential for directing traffic to and from your domain. Here, you'll need to choose the type of DNS record you wish to add. Hostinger supports several types, including AMX, hPanel, CNAME, SRV, TXT, and CAA records. Each of these types serves different purposes. For instance, an A record points to an IP address, while a CNAME is used to alias one name to another. Make sure you select the correct type based on what you need for your specific domain setup. After you've selected the record type, it's time to enter the name. This field might also be referred to as host or hostname, depending on your setup. Usually it's either set to your domain name, a subdomain, or uses the @ symbol to denote the root domain. Next, input the IP address or data required for that specific record. This information is often provided by your hosting provider or the third-party service you're setting up with your domain. Take care to enter the data accurately, as any error here could result in connectivity problems. Finally, you'll see the TTL, or time to live field, which dictates how long the server should cache this information before refreshing. The default is generally fine for most setups unless otherwise specified. After ensuring all of the information is entered correctly, click Add Record to complete the setup. That's it. You've successfully added a DNS entry to your domain in Hostinger. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so it might not work instantaneously. Check back after a little while if you don't see the changes immediately. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.